hidden fasteners in. Because each side of this board has got a groove. But then you gotta get them put in tight. So I use screwdrivers to hold them tight together. Set them down in there. And now these are all ready to be fastened down. So we have this bit that's narrow and thin, and it's got a torque end to it. When they have these little spacers, you put them over the screw, and you make sure you set the drill at about 13. And that way, you put them down till they stop.
Shout out the master builder. That's Jim Lemnah, aka my father, the smartest man in the world.
I'm second smartest.
Apparently, he thinks so. But they know I got the genius wit, probably because I learned from Jim. So check that out, YouTube. How to build a deck.